This is iFlight. Welcome to iFlight's tutorial video. In this episode, we will introduce how to quickly upgrade Nazgul Evoque F5 V203 version to the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. Before we begin, let's prepare the necessary tools and equipment for the modification. Use a 2.0mm hex screwdriver to remove the 8 screws from the top plate, then remove the top plate. Use a 2.0mm hex screwdriver to remove the CNC side plate screws at the front. Detach the camera from the aircraft. Unplug the LED connection cable from both sides of the LED control module. Gently lift and remove the side panels. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the XT60 power connector at the rear. Lift out the anti-spark filter. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the DJI O3 Air unit. Take out the O3 Air unit and disconnect its power cable and antenna cables. At this point, the O3 Air unit removal is complete. Now install the CNC camera side panel kit of the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. When insert the damper balls, ensure the camera logo is facing downward for correct orientation. The raised side of the silicone pads should face inward and distinguish between the left and right sides. L is the left side and R is the right side. Use the 4 2.5mm screws that come with the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro to secure the silicone pads to the camera. Then attach the CNC side plates and aluminum standoffs. Then tighten the M36 screws. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the top. Lift the top cover, remove the original antennas, and replace them with the aircraft's original antennas. Secure the top cover back in place with the 4 screws. Next step, mounting the air unit. The DJI O4 Air Unit Pro has mounting hole spacings of 20mm inner and 25mm outer. The Nazgul F5 V2 has a 25mm mounting hole spacing, so we will use the 25mm holes for installation. Before mounting, we need to widen the mounting holes from 1.6mm to 2.0mm. Using a 2.0mm drill machine, ensure proper protection while drilling. To prevent carbon fiber dust from entering the electronics or eyes, align the 4 mounting holes of the air unit with the carbon plate and secure them using M26mm screws. Connect the power cable to the air unit. Plug the side LED cables back into the LED control module. Reinstall the side panels, ensuring that LED strips and cables are not pinched or damaged. Last step, secure the CNC camera side plates with M36mm screws. Use M212mm screws to secure the XT60 power connector at the rear. Then reinstall the top plate and tighten the screws. Now the Nazgul F5 V2 has been successfully upgraded to the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. Thank you for watching.